Hello, have you been told that it runs in the family, that it's a genetic condition? This oftentimes is not the case. What happens inside your cell is you do have the DNA and your genes in your cell, but did you know that all of us have so many different Alzheimer's genes, cancer genes, colon cancer genes, all these various types of genes that are not getting turned on? So whether you have the gene or not doesn't mean it's going to get turned on. What determines it is what triggers that gene in the cell. And this is typically toxicity. Energy that goes in here, fuel to become energy that's burned in the little mitochondria, it has exhaust. It has to get out of the cell. When the cell walls are inflamed, which 15 out of 16 of the most common causes of chronic disease have inflammation, chronic inflammation at the source. When the cell wall gets inflamed, nutrients, hormones, and energy sources can't get into the cell. And when they do, they create energy, exhaust is formed, and that can't get out of the cell. It's almost like a fish tank that has lichen in it, and it has that moss in there. It's not getting cleaned up. It's going to be unhealthy. When the cells are unhealthy, bad genes get turned on. When bad genes get turned on, you start to express that disease. So does it have to do with genetics? We all have the genes. It's what happens in the cell based on toxicity that is going to determine whether or not you do develop that condition. Look upstairs, look up above for a Toxic Top 10. Perhaps that will give you some help and some understanding on how you can be healthier.